In this video, we will show you how to block all the visitors in your website except yourself via htaccess file. If you want to block all visitors in your website except yourself, then first of all, log into your cPanel account and then go to File Manager section. Now from here, go inside public_HTML. Now here, find .htaccess file. If this file is not visible, then simply click over top right corner over Settings and then click over Show Hidden Files. Now edit this file and then simply paste the following code. Don't forget to replace the IP address with your correct IP address. You can find your IP address in Google by typing my IP in Google. Now finally click over Save Changes. Now go to New Private Window and then check your website. If you will check your website from your own IP address, that is, which you have entered in .htaccess file, then your website will work flawlessly. Now if we change the location as well as the internet connection and then we try to open this website, we will find forbidden error. If you are looking for such a hosting with proper htaccess file support, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. We provide premium quality web hosting services at a reasonable pricing.